What's up, guys? So in this video, I'm going to give you guys the absolute best penny stocks that pay out dividends. So if you're someone who is interested in investing in the stock market with very little money, keep on watching. Okay, guys, so diving right into this video, the first stock on this list is SNMP. And this stock is currently priced at 37 cents per share, and it has a dividend yield of 154%. This stock pays out a dividend payment of 15 cents per share owned. All right, so the second stock on this list is LKSD. LKSD is priced at $1.36 per share, and the current dividend yield for this stock is 81% and pays 26 cents per share owned. Okay, so the third stock on this list is CBL, and CBL is currently priced at $1.39 per share. The yield for this stock is right around 25%, which produces a payout of 8 cents per share. The fourth stock on this list is FELP, and that's FELP. And this stock is currently priced at around 31 cents. So this one actually is a penny stock as far as it's cheap, under $1. So at the time of this video, that's the price of it. So the stock's yield is right around 30%, which is actually very, very good for a stock. And FELP currently pays out 6 cents per share in dividends. Okay, so stock number five. Stock number 5 on this list is DLNG, and this stock is currently priced at $1.83 per share, and it has a dividend yield of 17%. The dividend payment is 6 cents per share. However, with the recent growth of the stock and the way price has been moving, it wouldn't be far-fetched to believe that this can go up. Okay, so the sixth stock on this list is GME, and it is currently priced at $5.34 per share, and it has a dividend yield that is right around 29%, which produces a payout of 38 cents per share. Okay, so the seventh stock on this list is SMLP, and it is currently priced at $4.36 per share, and the dividend yield is 24%. Now, MMLP pays out a dividend of 25 cents, but it may increase due to the value of the stock currently going up. Okay, so stock number 8. Stock number 8 is SMLP. It's not the same as the first stock, it's SMLP. And it's currently priced at $5.12 per share. And it has a whopping dividend yield of 23% and a payout of 29 cents per share. The ninth stock on this list is BBT, and it is currently priced at $9.05 per share, and it has a dividend yield of 26%. The dividend payout for this stock is 55 cents per share. All right, so stock number 10 on this list is SDT, and it is currently priced at 53 cents per share, and it has a dividend yield of 20%. The current dividend payout for this stock is 3 cents. Stock number 11 is WPG, and WPG is currently, at the time of this video, priced at $4.19 per share, and it has a dividend yield of over 25%. And it consistently pays out 25 cents in dividends per share. And that's actually very good. It's because the more consistent the payment, the more consistent the income. All right, so the 12th stock on this list is CNSL, and it comes in priced at $4.75 per share, and it has a dividend yield of over 25%. CNSL also pays out a dividends of 39 cents per share held in dividends. Okay guys, last but certainly not least, to round off the end of this list is the stock F, which is Ford Motor Company. Now at the time of this video, Ford is currently priced at $9.05 per share, and it typically stays within that range. It doesn't really climb much higher than maybe $10, but it has a dividend yield of around 6.5%, and that produces a payment of 15 cents per share held. Okay, so there are many different ways that you could use penny stocks to build and develop a strong stock portfolio. And in the next video, I'm actually going to give you some of my strategies that I use to invest in penny stocks. So if you haven't already, make sure that you smash that like button, literally smash it to death, and hit the subscriber button and turn your notifications on, because you don't want to miss a single video. I got more on the way. Also, if you are interested in investing, I give out a free guide to investing, and it will be down in the description below. So make sure that you click that link so that you can get that and you can check that out. I put a lot of really good information on the inside of there. I want to thank you guys for watching this video. And remember, you're only one decision away. You're only one choice away from changing the entire trajectory of your life. I'll see you guys in the next video.